All right, so here's the pine cone I'm going to be using. And also I'm going to be using green and blue for the color. I'm going to do a little bit of green in like the middle and then blue outside. It should give it a really nice pattern. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of the, so I don't have to pour so much, I'm just going to take a little bit off and then I can put it in there. All right. I'm just heating up the edges now so it'll heat up a little bit and the bubbles can float. You'll see them coming up now. So we got it all set up. I put it here by the stove because it's cold here in the shop. So it'll stay nice and warm here while it's drying. It's going to take about 24 hours. Some bubbles are still coming up, so that's good. Yeah, we're going to go eat some breakfast. Alright guys, so I let it dry and it cracked. It like bubbled up real weird. And then I read the bottle and it's not for deep pours like this, the epoxy that I use. So that was on me. I didn't read the box or the labels. So I ordered the right stuff now. I've got it right here, deep pour resin. Got new batch mixed up and everything. This time I'm gonna be doing 2 pine cones so that way I can see which one I like better. But there they are, I'm gonna do it again. All right guys, this time I put a good stick in it so my pine cones don't float. Last time they were floating all over the place and it was kind of hard to get them to stay put, you know what I mean? I don't know where I poured too much.
I got the luck.
I need some fruitful.
Let's see it. A little dirty.
Oh, shoot.
What? Time to get up. It's like, well, I don't know why, but whenever I hear that sound, it's like so annoying because I always hear it at like 6 a.m. It actually turned off when I threw the trash, so you get us past today.
Alright guys, so here it is. It's all dry. I already pulled it out of the mold, but there it is. Turned out, looks good. I don't know. I'll cut it down and see what happens. Perfect. It's perfect. Which one do we want to go with?
Does it matter?
Yeah, of course it matters.
But right now the detail isn't great just because it's still rough. We have to finish polish it and then it'll be nice and shiny. This is our bucket that we put our water in to cool our knives down, and look. I actually did not expect that to go through, now I have to get it out.